had a route. Fly from Copenhagen to Boston. And then take the train from Boston to Chicago. And from Chicago, go to Dallas. Knowing my route was only the beginning. I knew I had a lot of planning to do. First, I wanted a place where I could easily access all the information I gathered. Now, naming this place would make it easier to identify it. And as I knew there would be a lot of information, I created different tabs to easily find what I need. Of course, I first needed to ensure that I had access to the platform. And for that, there was only one rule. If done properly, this would be available at all times. And I could ensure that my project manager would always be able to see the content. When it came to planning something like this, there was only one place I could turn to. I started in the project planner by setting different tasks as well as deadlines. I started to use the Web Notes app to keep all of my written notes. Stop. These notes are not saved on the platform, only in the current app, which means that deleting the app also deletes the notes. Instead, I started to take notes on my computer. By setting up a workspace, I could save all of my documents and easily view them all using 3D Play. And to organize them, the bookmark editor came very much in handy. And I could not take a trip like this without doing Tip from the Train, for which the whiteboard could be used to plan them. And I also needed a good overview of the different sessions. After all the planning was in order, I needed to look into my hotel possibilities. But thankfully...
Hey man, you don't have to worry about a thing, Tinndahl. Sit back and chill out. I've told our project manager to call you directly.
He's calling me? That's all I want to hear.
And just like that, the plan came together. I was ready to meet my project manager.
Hello?